The enzyme that hydrolyzes starch to maltose is alpha amylase, beta amylase, cyclodextrin glucanotransferase, and glucoamylase. So the correct answer for this question is beta amylase. Beta amylase is the enzyme which is responsible for hydrolyzing starch into maltose. It specifically acts on the non-reducing ends of the starch molecules and breaks down the starch into maltose units. This is known as an exohydrolase activity as it cleaves maltose from the ends of the starch chains. Sucrose molecule is a disaccharide in which two monosaccharides are joined together by, the options are alpha 1,2 glycosidic bond, alpha 1,4 glycosidic bond, beta 1,2 glycosidic bond, or beta 1,4 glycosidic bond. So the correct answer for this question is alpha 1,2 glycosidic bond. Sucrose is a disaccharide composed of two monosaccharides which are glucose and fructose, which are joined together by an alpha 1,2 glycosidic bond. This bond connects the alpha anomeric carbon atom of glucose to the beta anomeric carbon atom of fructose, resulting in the formation of sucrose. Enzyme lipase is likely to attack fat globule at what stage? The options are before homogenization, after homogenization, before cream separation, or after pasteurization. So the correct answer for this question is after homogenization. Lipase enzyme is likely to attack fat molecules after homogenization. So let us understand what is homogenization. It is the process by which large fat globules present in milk are broken down to smaller ones and create a stable emulsion, and the cream does not separate, resulting in increased shelf life, better taste, and improved mouthfeel. Incorporation of soy flour to wheat flour would enrich the bread with which of the following constituents? The options are lysine, fiber, lactose, or iron. The correct answer for this question is lysine. Lysine is an essential amino acid. It cannot be synthesized by our own body, so it needs to be taken through the diet. Sources of lysine are meat, fish, dairy, eggs, and soy. Soy flour also increases the quality of the bread protein because lysine is the limiting amino acid in the wheat, but this is not so in soy flour. Egg mark is related to. The options are processing, quality, packaging, or production. The correct answer for this question is quality. Egg mark is a certification mark employed on the agricultural products in India. It is the quality mark provided under the Agriculture Produce Act 1937. An egg mark symbol is usually found on the packets of rice, flour, pulses, biscuits, oil, etc.